Hey guys, the number one reason why I was able to scale my businesses to 50,000 regularly on a regular basis per month and 77,000 in our best month and all my online income combined to more than $110,000 in my best month in July 2020 is because I had a mentor. Now, I've been living the laptop lifestyle since 2017. I traveled to 50 plus hotel, running my online businesses. And I want to show you real quick some results so you can book a call with me and work one-on-one with my team, with me and my team. I don't want to make this long. I don't want to make a long video presentation where I tell you about my story, blah, blah, blah. I just want to show you some results. So let's start from here. This is a Facebook ad campaign account that I've been running. You can see we got over 239,638 link click at 62 cents per link click, over 114,000 lead. We spent about 149,629 and 15 cents, and we made back more than half of a million. Okay, so if we scroll down, you can see that this is a 3.59 ROAS, return on ad spend. And you can see the cost per link click. This is Canadian dollar, by the way. So it's like 45 cents, 50 cents in US dollar. So this is the PayPal account, 722,000 Canadian dollar. That is over $500,000 in US dollar. This is just PayPal. We did way more, obviously, in Stripe, cash, bank transfer, extra. We generated over 1.3 million, and this is some extra income. So I'm super good with getting your client value up. So when you're gonna be working with me and my team, there's basically 2-3 package that we have, depending if you're a starter or if you're already in business and making sales. But basically, we'll help you do pretty much everything. Right now, I have my team of professional that is running pretty much all my two business, my online business and my personal brand. And they are creating the content, posting the content, taking care of the DM. They are sending the emails. The only thing that I'm still doing is taking care of my ad because I like it too. And that's pretty much it. I want to show you how you can build some similar systems so you can focus on what is important, not working in your business, but on your business, right? And I want to offer you my team because literally my team and I, at the moment, we have some free time. We have built 2 successful online business, a 7-figure one and a multiple 6-figure one. And we have literally some free time. So we want to help you. This is some extra income. This is in US dollar, though, when we were 106,000 US dollar that I did. And I was fortunate, like I said, to live the laptop lifestyle, work from home since 2017. And I've been doing that full time since 3 years. And I want to help you guys succeed as well. So just click the button. There's going to be a calendar. This is for businesses that are, like I said, either already in business, making sale, you have an offer, you want us to scale up your offer. Okay. Or second, if you're a starter, a beginner, but you have some money to invest. This is not a $500 course. This is in the thousands. So this is not $1,000 as well. This is for businesses that want to scale, that can afford it. Or if you're a starter, you want to work with a professional, you want to make sure that you're starting the right way. And you also know that you are not there to sell dreams and you have something solid to offer to the world. So I hope to see you on the call. This is not a sales call. This is simply a call where we will see if it's a good fit to work together. And at the end of the call, if it's a good fit, we're going to tell you the price, how it works, and you're going to be able to take a decision, yes or no, if you want to get started. Simple as that. I hope to see you on the call. My name is Joe. Take care.